Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Also dollar no was so.
This about here, any coffee. I'm on to make us.
I didn't know I'm going to make us.
So see, Papa didn't have it. I don't know fireman. Papa, so you might have
and I said, or buy 8 months, 1 and 9 months.
I'm on gas, I'm back 2 weeks, and not 3 weeks. You saw no episode. How many months in it? When you say 8 months, I come on. Who can do when you feel 8 months?
Now, some of transit MP before transit 8.
Almost 8 years before. Almost 8 years.
By the
transfer.
Almost transfer, saying do this level, a particular level.
One of satisfied, you know, for the first time. One person at the end started that's me. As I was a moment, Nana or see so side to side, a neat white cell, clean. Say what I told you. Then you know that
I buy so any US for agreement say we prefer here deporting from
Nigeria, on the platform. I see on the one now, it one you. Ukuru na etuma ne wo wapa wo bia Ghana free show ye African media ndaku wa na wo support of mo mo bebe di atem keka akonu no ma bedos wo ye nkrofo we wo di post to ho NDC for asema wo post to ye po omo ntiase o but on bebe di atem wo asiesa bebe di atem unya MPP for be 5 wo mu gina wo mu defend da so pa kona koja comment ba ko NDC ni bi page ase ubehu de we omu ni na bebe tu agu ho and on social media no it is your likes, your share, your comments, or like ya wunya, or comment ya wunya, how many people are sharing it. That is what built a page. And ya wonko wujina so a wuche ne kode nowadays rene ya udeno. That is not it. You are not building the page. Election beba. Yeah, but now I kokwasa sana NDC for at the 1957. Now when and a said GH or ban and say ya building on. Besa GH ban and say ya building on. The when people bloggers be brave or pepe now just a tire about because I then I would complaining. Why shouldn't I complain when you are not doing the right thing? Your communication apparatus is already broken. I told you guys that thing is done. They say obi our communication no bia no we say be atopre e no dey obi because unim before the elections nankasa no that thing was broken and the MPP me catch and I don't care o me dey bia na me catch them me say I don't care and the MPP gina mutumi etumi nyai social media for nobody listens to you guys on the traditional media mo kokra ye ma mo chance pe wa mo nkasa. We MPP Nina Uko radio station. Kai say MPP versus 4 NDC people because they are otikonsol neti kura OBAB you know or no so NDC ning or kasa dema NDC. Entima sam kura mo kanen kodum. And MPP communication department, what is keeping you people afloat after 2024 election? It is this social media boys and girls. It is us. Yenya mumwe no yenya. What's now na party na musu womu nim digitization. Party na musu yeso omu yen kurasefo. Party na musu yeso omu enim ye no. Womu etumi use social media. Etuyeska they are building so many channels. They are amembu anenses womu wini. Womu aji they free munsem. You people are still complacent and then confident in what you are doing. You can't do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. It doesn't work. This is your channel you have. These are the people you can use. MPP for the platforms are there. These are boys you can use. These are girls, women you can use. Koko trace camera TV3 na so kwa asa biom predia say yama wan say ankasa. Na the NDC for beken na media for ne o ma ya adwene, and you expect your communication to move. It will not. And the earlier the communication part of MP before we decided the social media is what is holding you people now. Ye to abewe ye missing your social media and can forget. Muni ma bemu anebu. So for the first time we'll be on your campaign. One for any serious policy be not the be winning election. After all the policies we brought, after all the social interventions I had Ghana for, they decided not to work. Listen, not here because the propaganda and the lies was too much, and NDC paid fortunes for that. Therefore, be near not to pay Rosso near man $5,000 a month. Kevin Taylor, me say. Yeah, no be we are not asking you for money. Me buy me maybe so be miska more MPP and penny me imagine be a Diana so miska. The most I always ask from you people is information. Information, keke. Sometimes I even have the information already. All I'm trying to get is a confirmation. Say information we na menya. Ye do kra na. Ye do kra ye mi out. Ye mi out. Oko kana ena Felix die. Ena Felix die me de ye too harsh you. Ena me de sa boy ne de. Sa boy no so no betumi aye adwuma no. E bia wo mpetumi. E de na Dennis Miracle enka he. Evidence being that Dennis Miracle abuaje on fan chere. Why is it pushing away? Why is it not sinking through the people? Because we have a communication department which doesn't work. It only works after 3 months. Last minute, I challenge you people here, say, more communication department of MPP. Since I Richard Ahiagba, more can't how many times I hear even grano press conference cry be. NDC forward opposition. Sabi on prebiasa. Saba umia eko bubu or no ebo rekra. Sami jensi beba be ye press conference. And no politics abano. And your optics, what are you doing? What are you mobilizing? Uko kano omejao. Well, maybe they be amube jamming, because I would always give you the truth. Where I need to defend my party, I would defend my party to the last breath of me. Crypto, he's the only guy we have. Dennis is the only guy we have right now. Say a man and Dennis in Kwan Yehuno or no Kwan. And also starting and in communication, you know, say when one face is being seen consistently, it doesn't work. Now say a small boy, a friend is saying, in no you see, somebody will go and listen to that youth. Mr. Ramo, sometimes say, Mama, my young feeling say, Juma, yeah, no, Sebi, Kwasi, Juma, yeah. Mama, my young, yes, Juma, yeah, and Kwasi, Juma, yeah. Whether MPP, executives are more, Muntiani, whether you like it or you don't like it, your stronghold right now in terms of communication are these social media people. It is the social media people. Because akosa man na say enye Dennis Miracle just say or no kura na okuta fact you Dennis no kura fact kura de kire Ghana for say ente onu nko a ba ko fon sentimi nkata Nyame ani. He is one. Masremo why mama yes sesa niamem ami kakra why da me live mami wi why patcho me live mo de mate. It's the mesre learn to build your own. MP before learn to build your own. The me yasne the social media wo buy and use ka. O share and use ka. Uja comment ya and use ka. And so still obeba betena not the holding cause obu no. Anyways, yamfa no sin chain. And a freestyle Friday. Said the TNO, you said that balit kakra said the bear you been a chance there for more calls. And the first issue I'm a person me doing come up again is in my house. I am fear MPP. Men kind of quick crying free up. And me be a program be wa. Now me program I'm here and me to ni din say Ken supporters are no longer MPP. Now, for some funny reason, the people now over online internal politics into umbechetrino, and now they are trying to tell us Omuchi say we be hate at their candidate. Now, BB very funny to me. Me pacho candidate for air stand for MPP in nara. Ye candia waka asemwa ya dia wagu party no hufi dia wasai party na kekansem fon dia fa party no ho empo editing crophobia tem personally. There is nobody but Canada Japan. Nenso twade wo pa ye mistake said this week obekwa akoka bibi e de atia Kennedy no muni na abu afu ono bebe begina eso ba omiemu obeso MPP party na nkesemu party no so opeso no di animu no wo mo beso camera e di party na tem aka kire party ni se party ni efon na omo de nkroma ideology na eba na say nipa no usu ko ka kire ni se the candidate efon pe dabi e na mo jo na mo di atem e na mo di atem na mo di atem e den kwase asem no dabi o lady D me sa de no mentiasi o ye nyina ye program who di matem say me yakwase am is no problem na me koka say we yakwase say adenchi na me yakwase say ye pe obi a wodi atem didie e na share the campaign ase a e ye Kennedy Japan ene na sefo na say nye beye e na hye binimu ani ase a me se me pese me be di party anim. However, party na me pese me be di anim na kosia me ni bibia positive kafa ho ye mankwala 5.7 million eno nya achievement school. Ye che laptop eno nya achievement. Dialysis machines at Kolebu eno nya sebe achievement. Other monumental projects ya eno nya achievement. However, obi a ono na de ba ko ka kire oni se ono abi adwuma eno tun sebe o ma ne be president obetumi abi adwuma eno ne superior over obi a ono ama different they say chale MPP na me I don't know how they got this group of people, to be honest with you, because me the MPP and me nim ne MPP and am enye eni o enye MPP e be ka kire se me enya de ense yi o there be Hakman no usu ajima no na enye sa na omo de tete party no utie na nado no mo time no enye sa everybody knew Nanado was ready for power but yes there be papa woni amaniama bi ntene woni amaniama bi ye de kai card bi ato no so say ekufu ado ye to transem internet so mo man e calm down wansa ye decide we delay ekufu ado na so said ye tie biara on sabi ojire no honnom dia enyo wanka say yamfa me amba na omudi obi ba ye ntino party ni megai nanso ye nim nkrofo a wo mo kɔ primaries keke no wo mo awini kura na wo mutumi jai party no e jai na sabi ejeje mu saa nanso ye tumi ka sese nipafo ni mo emma me ye nene me ka asem we wa ha wo ye Kennedy ni a I want you to go to your boss because I know the evidence I'm holding here. I want you to go to your boss and ask your boss to say, after 2016, TNE, Sikaben and or spending on the party in terms of elections. Mumisano. Now often who receipt in Remo. And I can tell you, say, from 2021, this man said he didn't get the contract he was expecting to get in addition to what he has. It was supported party in Tiamba or functions as there. Now it's not first come. It was other people that financed the NPP. He's just living on past glory. Near more in the past. What about the people who are also holding it down today? Almost way. We are saying, they be a mekase. Obi anani bradi ebi o ebeifo. Esunagro. Obi anani bradi ebi ano o ebeifo. Ena beifo biya so mpa de pa. Beifo nti na yesi wo mu didi ball aso no. Woman the test woman to send pete. Before be ampa de pa. And this are the pababa never affect ye ni na no be a benye be any day. And your mess head na meguno. Mess head na meguno. Anquire many day and sign entity. Some of us have decided. Say on this highway we know. On this highway, you know. Say, yes, ye be your coom. Utie. Na, yashe, say, oh, na, yena, because only bibi. Or no, only me say, oh, vini. Etinya di or bears, I want to come together with you and to there be. Etu ye 2024. Normally, ye co campaign. Nenso about to obaye, o man koto. Medin ka kachire. Ma chireo ne 31% na unya ye no abura wo me de ball MPP fo na wo anko to aba at all. I don't come here to lie to anybody. I come here to present you with nothing but the truth. Now, I personally, I don't see the reason why me a car owner. Let me use this analogy. Okay, me a car owner. Me po bi at the car ashenensa amanetri. Ye the driver for me no abreme. Driver ba ko ba ya ana car fun be nie car tantan we di ana se car we di entumi nkwa hakra o car we di o na car we di ni bibi asai ana car jimi sei ana hwane ton kwasia car we a car we kura de minim de ntia ana we kura de me pa che wo mesremo mo me nyansa no nya adwuma. Nya fa emotions no nton chen. We are talking about critical thinking here. For emotions not on chen for now. We will come back to that and deal with that. But I want you to look at things say nyanseni anko obejene sign na obejene. So we are nyanseni ampa sign na obejene. O car o de ma drivers mienu. Driver ba ko ba ye ne dia o ya ne say o didi car na tem didi ni ura tem ka ho. Driver ba ko so ba yo say yo chairman patron ejuma
Mabo Akufo-Addo Abaswati. Asante achim no for MP. Mr. Mabo Akufo-Addo Abaswati. Usi to siri 500 Ghana. Edipa enya sika tobi wa asante achim no. Na abu na opa Mahama chew say. Onye bibi fa ho. Akufo-Addo te so last year dollar near 40 cedi 70 pesos. O te so bi ba bonti say. Intos abu na me to 500 Ghana. Obi enya sika tobi. Ebi ni ho. Yese enipa papa enipa boni ni di oman na oman ni si apini eye saa na tie on say intos 500 Ghana ra daka kakraka wi munya obi obeto e na obegina ho pa acho saa na tie na dollar dey say to ofo ba ho pa acho say intos 500 Ghana omunya sika obi anya sika to so last year na dollar na 40 cedis no saa ne ma we nyina ya antibi was sate region ha seba Akufo-Addo Nyankopon na e kasa no papa no ya obi obedi bia hunsusu aso beba Ghana for eso se de masia di Akufo-Addo atem obi a ono ochechire oman a odi ambulance aba Mahama ekwa na ebi di nachi o police for da wasisi hwe Ghana ba ni wiase nyina fishing abo a ewo Ghana ha nyina etupe Akufo-Addo na ba be enkwala mo so de mo di papa we atem sa na onzo obi na no a obi na no kasa sisi a Ghana ebesi apini ena ya adwuma no se tot 500 Ghana munya sika mo obi nto sa na tie papa na modi na tem mo pa mo ma bonti me pa Akufo-Addo achew anya sa o ma we ebesi apini sa 4 years ye ewu me na me ka chew asante achim no MP next 4 years 2028 kwa ebesa 2 sabanchi me na me ka chew ye